Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins from the Black Financial Channel. I want to give you a quick update on what's going on with the stock market. Today was not the best day. Today was kind of a little bit weird. I did a video earlier about Workhorse stock, and I told you guys all about Workhorse and what Workhorse was doing, and how the decision with Workhorse from the USPS would either be positive or negative. Well, I was wrong. It wasn't positive. It wasn't negative. It was just sort of neutral, where they actually pushed back the decision date on when Workhorse might get the $8 billion contract from the United States Postal Service. So you saw a big drop in that stock. And I mentioned put options are a good way to protect against that. The other thing going on in the market right now is there was some pullback a little bit, mainly because the Democrats and Republicans are fighting as usual over the stimulus package. There's no sort of idea of knowing like when that's going to come to an end or when they're actually going to make a deal. I don't think that the Democrats want to make a deal before the election. The Republicans want to get something through, maybe like a piecemeal situation. Mitch McConnell's trying to push that. Also, there's pressure on Nancy Pelosi to accept the $1.8 trillion offer from the Trump administration and the Republicans. Are they going to accept it? Nobody knows. The stimulus is coming. It's a matter of time, right? So when it arrives, it's going to be good for the market, but nobody knows if it's going to come sooner or later. The Republicans or the Senate's going to vote this week, which is majority Republican. Also, there is Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly had to stop one of his trials on a coronavirus antibody vaccine. Well, not a vaccine, but antibody treatment. And that set the market back a little bit because it leads to more worry that this pandemic is going to stretch out longer than it needs to. I honestly feel like there isn't much to see here. I feel like the stimulus may not come today, may not come tomorrow, but it's going to come. The vaccine may not come today, may not come tomorrow, but it's going to come. I didn't see anything that indicated any sort of long-term economic problems. There is, now we're in earnings season. So far, the first couple of banks, I think JP Morgan Chase and was it Citigroup? They both had better than expected earnings. So it looks like the other banks may come in strong as well. Delta Airlines had an earnings report. They didn't do so well. So the airlines may really be getting their butt, sorry about that. The airlines may be getting their butts kicked pretty bad, but they're waiting for a stimulus. So a stimulus comes through, airlines start doing better. My American Airlines stock kind of nosedived a little bit, but it was doing well when they thought that they were going to actually get something done on Capitol Hill. So Capitol Hill is important in all this. The vaccine's important. I don't think that anything has happened that has caused a fundamental shift in economic conditions. I just see these as things that maybe are going to just lead to delays. Every single thing I've mentioned, from Workhorse, that situation, to what's going on with Congress, to what's going on with the vaccine, all this is stuff that I believe is eventually going to happen. It's just a matter of waiting out the storm, in my opinion. So you may not see a great week this week. The optimism is really high. Bad news on the COVID front can really shrink the market pretty quickly. So just be really careful and just be ready for a rough ride. All right, guys, I got to go. Alicia's calling me. It's time for us to go run. I looked at a picture of myself from 2016. And I did not know, my head was fatter in 2016. My neck, my head, everything was fatter. And I don't want to be fat no more, y'all. So I want to be healthy. I want to be a healthy black man. And so cheer me on. Just pray for me, y'all, because I know y'all seeing some reconstruction here. But I just want to do better. And I want to encourage you to do better as well. So healthy wealth, healthy bank account, healthy body, healthy mind. That's what I want you to have. So go get healthy, whatever it takes. Just do something a little different. Be a little bit better than you were last week. And your life will improve. So take care, guys. Hit the thumbs up button, share and subscribe button before you go. Also, do not forget the Powernomics Masterclass starts on the 15th with Dr. Claude Anderson. You can go to powernomicsmasterclass.com. That's powernomicsmasterclass.com. And the discount code to get 30% off is the code word podcast. If you want to learn about stock options investing, you can go to blackoptionsinvesting.com. That's blackoptionsinvesting.com. I have a whole curriculum on stock options as well. And we go a little bit better, a little bit deeper. And I think once you walk away, you're going to be really comfortable with it. So take care, guys. Have a good day. I'll see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.